Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Fit Nation Hub. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, the ultimate beginner's guide to a vegan diet. Whether you're exploring plant-based eating for health, the environment, or ethical reasons, this video will give you all the tools you need to get started. Stick around for meal ideas, tips, and answers to common questions about veganism. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is a vegan diet? In simple terms, it's a lifestyle that excludes all animal products, no meat, dairy, eggs, or even honey. Instead, it focuses on plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. It might sound restrictive at first, but trust me, the possibilities are endless. Not only is this diet packed with nutrients, but it's also been linked to benefits like improved heart health, better digestion, and a lower carbon footprint. Sounds great, right? But, where do you start? Before jumping in, let's talk nutrition. Here are a few nutrients you'll want to focus on in a vegan diet and where to find them. 1. Protein, think lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, and quinoa. 2. Calcium, fortified plant milks, kale, broccoli, and almonds. 3. Iron, spinach, lentils, beans, and fortified cereals. Pair with vitamin C for better absorption. For vitamin B12, look for fortified foods or supplements. 5. Omega-3s, chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts, and algae oil. Keep these in mind as you plan your meals, and you'll be good to go. Let's start with breakfast. How about a hearty smoothie bowl? Blend frozen bananas, spinach, almond milk, and your favorite protein powder. Top with granola, chia seeds, and fresh berries. Delicious and nutrient-packed. For lunch, try a Buddha bowl. Start with a base like quinoa or brown rice, add roasted veggies, chickpeas, avocado, and drizzle with tahini dressing. So easy and customizable. Now, dinner can be as simple as a veggie stir-fry. Sauté your favorite veggies, add tofu or tempeh, and toss with a soy sauce and sesame oil mix. Serve it over rice noodles or whole grain rice. Comfort food at its best. Snacks? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Try roasted chickpeas, homemade trail mix, or hummus with veggie sticks. Alright, now let's talk tips to make your transition smooth and stress-free. 1. Start slow, don't feel like you have to go vegan overnight. Start with one meal a day or try meatless Mondays. 2. Plan ahead, meal prepping is a game changer. Having meals ready reduces the temptation to reach for non-vegan options. 3. Experiment, there are so many plant-based substitutes for dairy, meat, and eggs. Try them out to find your favorites. 4. Read labels, not all processed foods are vegan, so double-check for hidden animal products. 5. Find community, join vegan groups on social media or connect with friends who are already plant-based for inspiration. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. I get a lot of questions about veganism, so let's clear up a few common ones. 1. Will I get enough protein? Absolutely. Plant-based sources like beans, lentils, and tofu are packed with protein. 2. Is it expensive? Not necessarily. Staples like rice, beans, and seasonal veggies are budget-friendly. 3. What about eating out? Most restaurants now offer vegan options. Apps like Happy Cow can help you find them easily. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments. Adopting a vegan diet doesn't have to be intimidating or boring. It's about discovering new flavors, building healthy habits, and making choices that align with your values. Start small, have fun, and celebrate your progress along the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.